Oh my god, look at this thing.
Okay.
Okay. Hello beautiful people. So have my wig cap on. I'm here getting my wig done by Adriana. Honestly, it's like right here next to me, just like my cute little bestie. Look at this lace. Like, oh my gosh, like you can't even tell that my nail just went underneath this lace. Look at it. What are you doing? She plucked this to perfection.
I know that's right.
I know that is absolutely right. We're about to install this. Sit back and relax, because honestly, she is about to do some magic. Before we begin, allow me to demonstrate the difference between XRS's clear lace and the lace that you may be used to. So I just sprayed some Got2b on my arm, and there is the brown lace. If you remember wigs back in our heyday, that's what they used, brown lace. And then we moved over to transparent lace, but even then you can still see it on my arm, right? Look at how the XRS clear lace just melted onto my arm. Honestly, a little bit of lace tint, maybe even a little bit of makeup, and that XRS clear lace is as good as yours on your scalp. So let's go. First of all, she put on the cape. This is Adriana, by the way. This is one of my 2 hairstylists that I have here in Dallas. So she's adding some makeup on my wig cap. We're still doing the bald cap method, but I'm actually looking for a better method. So if y'all have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. So she's just cutting the cap off of my head to just basically make me essentially look like I'm bald, so that the wig can really lay and just melt and blend in perfectly. You really don't have to do too much though when it comes to the XRS clear lace. Even Adriana, like my literal hairstylist, was just ranting and raving on and on about the XRS clear lace and how this is one of the best wigs that I've brought to her. I've purchased other XRS wigs, and she's just saying like this is a really great brand that I've brought in. So we're just applying the wig to my head, and look at how this is already just like melting in. It's giving very much hairline. It's just giving clear. It's giving melt. Okay, so she's just going to use the comb to just like comb that hairline, comb that wig right into place. This honestly is my favorite part, just seeing the placement of it all. But Adriana specifically has a different technique that she uses that really sets her apart as a stylist, and this is something that I absolutely love that she does. But first, let me let her finish applying this lace. She's sectioning it off to do what I was about to tell y'all about. But look. Wait, hold on, let me get a close-up. She's looking so good. Oh my god, look at this thing.
Okay.
Okay. So what sets Adriana apart to me is this right here. She'll section off a bit of the lace, and then she'll pluck the hairline, and she's using the razor to cut that bit of lace that she sectioned off. So what she's doing is basically customizing the lace wig to fit a little bit more to your hairline, your natural hairline, as opposed to just cutting the wig straight across. Sometimes when the wig is cut straight across, once you add like baby hairs to it, it does look really good. It's still melted, it's still laying very flat. But I love that Adriana does this, because this allows me to wear my wigs that she installs for me without baby hairs, because it's cut to my natural hairline more so. So it's not really necessary to create that like swoopy swoop effect with the baby hairs, just because not only is it plucked to perfection, but it's also cut to perfection. So moving on from that, just wanted to give her her flowers while she can still smell them, because I love that technique. But moving on, we're going to do a half up, half down hairstyle with 2 pieces in the front. I think that this hairstyle is just like not only trendy, but super duper feminine, super cute, super classy, and it's something different. I feel like I haven't done a half up, half down with the bang pieces in the front, and it's just very like curly and very loose, very feminine. I feel like I haven't done anything like this, especially in a while. So I'm always up for trying new styles, and Adriana actually loves to take on like the challenge of trying new styles when I come in and I'm like, hey, let's try something new, let's try this, let's try that. You know, she's always encouraging me to try colors and try things that are just outside of my comfort zone. But this turned out to be so cute. I definitely want to add it to my repertoire. So now she's adding the Nairobi styling mousse. This is my second favorite part of an Adriana install because she puts me under the dryer for literally just a few minutes, and that helps with flyaways and it helps the lace just really stay in place. Like, it does not budge or move after Adriana does that part. So loved this style, loved how it turned out. I did want a little bit of extra hair in the ponytail, but that's a very easy fix. I could just take the ponytail down and add some extra hair from the back of the wig. But what do you guys think? I love this. It's so cute.
It is. It's giving flirty. You gotta do a different style with this. I think you can tap into that new style you was talking to. Talking about.
When I get home, I'm gonna curl the baby hairs on the side, but this is really a no baby hair look. We just have the sideburns, but we don't have any baby hairs on this side.
I know, that's right.
Or on the other side. And as you can see, it is melted. I'm gonna tie it down when I get home. It's gonna melt even more. This
That is right.
is so cute.